Hello everyone, I am Neetu Chandran from Kerala. I have done BSc Honours Agriculture from Kerala Agricultural University. About my interview, the first question was to introduce myself with my strengths and weaknesses, my hobbies, aspirations and my family background in less than a minute, which was followed by an extempore on the topic Are Women Better Managers Than Men? Then there were questions about my favorite subjects, which was extension and agronomy. From agronomy, the questions were regarding processing of rice like dehusking, parboiling and the states using parboiled rice, etc. From extension, I was being asked about the definition of extension and the definition, roles and responsibilities of KVK and the English name of KVK, which was followed by the question about my long-term and short-term goals and why I pursue the degree in ABM. I would like to tell all the aspirants that there is no need to be stressed for an interview. You have to answer confidently by looking at all the panel members equally. Sit straight and both boys and girls can wear a light colored formal shirt. If you don't know the answer to a particular question, just politely say no because guesswork does not work in an interview. It is important to read newspapers and know about the current affairs. It is more important to develop an opinion about everything you read. And this is all from my side.
Hi, I am Dr. Arsh from Junagadh, Gujarat, and I am a veterinarian. So I am here to share my interview experience at Manage. So in my interview, there were 3 panelists, and interview just started with a formal introduction. In formal introduction, we have to include our name, native, hobbies, educational qualification, and if you are having a work experience, you can include that, and another professional affiliation, you can mention it. And after that, a panelist asked me a few technical questions related to my educational background. So they can ask your favorite subject. So you can answer your favorite subject, and based on that, they can ask technical questions. So as I am a veterinarian, so they asked me related to the dairy industries and animal husbandry sector. Few related to the A1, A2 milk issue, crossbreeding of animals, and a few more technical questions.
Hello, I'm R. Shivranjani from Tamil Nadu. I have done my BSc Horticulture from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. For me, my interview was in the morning slot, and it was basically begin with, it was about the introduction. They asked me to summarize the introduction along with the strength and weakness in 1 minute, and then it moved on to the technical aspects, which included about the favorite subject. For me, it was floriculture and landscaping in horticulture. So it went on, and then it was concluded with an extempore. So my topic was gender equality. So according to me, the interview experience actually dealt with the communication skill and the confidence that you take into. What I would suggest is that when you are speaking, be confident, be formal, and the interview panel will be really they will make you comfortable, and there won't be any stress as such, and well prepared with some subjects, and be thorough with your technical knowledge and also from general questions like general ability, because even I was asked about the current issues from the state I belong to. For the current affairs, I was asked about the Kaveri issues, that is between my state and Karnataka. So get thorough with the the current affairs and keep reading newspapers. Apart from that, be confident and speak well. That will be give you the confidence to answer the questions even if you don't know. Be open about it that you don't know the questions, and it will not affect your interview in any way.
Hi, I'm Roman Neok from Jorhat, Assam. Today I'll be sharing with you my managed interview experience in order to help you guys prepare for it better. So the first thing I want to start is introduction. Your first impression is the lasting impression. So I would say design a formal introduction of around 60 to 90 seconds. The introduction should be in such a way that it reflects your good qualities, and it should give reasons as to why the college should, give you admission. After that, dress well. Dressing well is very important if you want to be an MBA or if you want to be a manager in the future. Dress well, tidy yourselves up before the interview, and also remember formal language and positive body language. The third thing I would like to focus on is your favorite subject. Your background, although it's important, however, it is equally important that you have a favorite subject from your undergraduate. even though you are not thorough with any subjects, you just pick a subject, try to get the basics down, and try to show that you are well tuned with the subject. The interviewers, the panelists will ask you questions, although they might not be too technical. However, they will grasp the basics of the subjects which you are interested in. All they want to know is whether you have the capability of grasping something, or actually putting in efforts if you're interested in something. That's all they want to know.